The CDC director granted final approval after a panel voted unanimously in favor of the vaccine Tuesday, with some kids receiving the shot shortly after it was given the okay.
We have a total of 14 yeses, 0 nos.
Millions of doses of Pfizer's COVID-19 shot for kids shipping out across the country.
Right there is 1,000 doses of the pediatric vaccine.
Children in Connecticut the first to receive the vaccine after the CDC's green light. Last week, the Food and Drug Administration authorized emergency use for kid doses. Pfizer says its trial data shows that the vaccine, which is still 2 shots but 1/3 an adult dose, is nearly 91% effective against symptomatic illness in children ages 5 to 11. Side effects are minimal, which include a sore arm, headaches, or fever. And studies found no cases of myocarditis, a rare heart inflammation seen in some young men.
It's probably because of the smaller dose in these vaccines, but we're finding that fever and other side effects are a lot less common in kids in this age group. Most of these kids aren't even going to need to miss a day of school.
Even so, only about 27% of parents are willing to have their kids vaccinated right away.
I wouldn't be getting any of my kids an emergency use authorization vaccination. I definitely would want to see long-term studies.
CBN medical reporter Lori Johnson highlighted some of those concerns.
There are a number of reasons, but the number one reason was they're afraid of unknown long-term side effects. And when asked to drill down on what side effects they're worried about, 2/3, John, said they're worried that later on down the road, their children might have fertility problems, trouble conceiving children when they are adults. Even though there's absolutely no evidence presented by the drug company Pfizer, the FDA, and the CDC that is a risk.
Meanwhile, President Biden called the approval of the shot a turning point in the battle against COVID-19. And doctors say children who get vaccinated before Thanksgiving will be fully covered by Christmas. Charlene Aaron, CBN News.